Yo, what up, y'all? It's WILLPOWER. I'm on the set of my own music video. I'm setting the whole thing up by myself in the park. It's a lot of fun. Summer nights. It's maybe like, I don't know, it feels like a good 30 degrees Celsius. A really beautiful night. I'm vibing with the insects flying all around me. So this is the music video for Most Amazing off my brand new album, Utopia. So check that out. And let's see how the portable mobile light installation works out for the video. Yo, what's up, y'all? So my whole installation is this, and yeah, I'm making an octagon of light out of this, and this is the board I made, which is, you can kind of see here. I wrapped it up to protect it with some masking tape, but this is gonna drive the LEDs. It's gonna drive the LEDs and for this big boy right here, the Octagon. So I'm gonna perform inside of an Octagon for the music video, Most Amazing, of the new album, Utopia. So yeah, let's set it up. Looking good in the hood.
WILLPOWER Studios.